The F3E5 error code on a Whirlpool washing machine indicates a problem with the door locking system. This error can be caused by a faulty lock assembly or issues with the door lock system, as well as kinks or blockages in the water inlet hose, drain hose, or drain pump. Additionally, problems with the power supply or improper washer leveling can also trigger this error. To fix the F3E5 error, it is necessary to rectify the door lock mechanism by checking the door lock's connections, tightening any loose connections, and replacing damaged parts with compatible ones. The drain hose, water inlet, and drain pump should also be inspected for debris, kinks, or obstructions, and cleared to ensure optimal functionality. The machine should be placed on a level surface, and the leveling legs adjusted if necessary. The power supply should be resolved by ensuring the washer is plugged into a stable power outlet, and the power cord should be checked for loose parts or damage. Furthermore, the lint filter should be removed, cleaned, and installed securely to prevent any issues. By following these steps, the F3E5 error code can be fixed, and the washing machine can function properly again.